Hello class, we continue with our activities. In this part we're going to do a speaking activity on page 62. This activity is about signing up for a course, and there is a picture. What can you see on this picture? There is a girl, there is a boy here, another boy, no? And there is here a chef. Could be a teacher chef, no? Maybe they are studying chef. Signing up for a course, sign up. No, it's like when you sign up for an account of Facebook or your email, no? Sign up. Bianca is calling a local college to find out about classes. Listen and complete the dialogue. Okay? Listen. To help you, here I have functional language. Expressing purpose. I'm calling to get information, I'm calling to register, I'm calling to many things. In order to learn, no, in order to do something, in order to be better. I've been looking to, and you tell me, no, I've been looking to many places, but this is the best. So as to, the reason I'm plus a verb plus ing for exactly that reason or for that reason with a view to. So you can use those phrases in functional language expressing purpose in your dialogue. It's a lot. So you're fifth grade. This is going to be a little difficult, but try to do it. Listen to the audio and complete the activity.
Unit 4, Track 40, Speaking.
Good morning. Gourmand Culinary School, how may I help you?
Good morning. I'm calling to get information. I've been trying to call all morning, but the line has been busy.
I apologize for the delay. In order to help you better, could you tell me what you're interested in?
Well, I've been looking to gain a bit more confidence in the kitchen and thought that taking summer classes would be a good idea.
Excellent. So you've been cooking for a short time then. In that case, perhaps our Begin with the Basics course would suit you so as to provide you with the necessary essential skills.
And what is the schedule for that one? I've been working in the mornings recently, so I'd prefer something later.
The classes are from 6 to 8 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, starting July 1st. It's been filling up fast, but there are still 2 places available.
That sounds perfect. And can you tell me about the food we'll be cooking? The reason I'm asking is that I'm a vegetarian.
That's no problem at all. In fact, our instructor has only been teaching vegetarian cuisine for a number of years now.
In that case, I'd definitely like to sign up for the July course, with a view to possibly carrying on in the future if all goes well. I've been wanting to do something like this for ages.
Okay class, this was our reading activity, our listening activity. This is speaking is based on a girl that wants to sign up for a course, no, because she wants to be a chef, and also she says she's a vegetarian. Okay, now let's see. If you need to listen to this audio once again, you can play the video or the audio and you can listen and you can complete the activity. In class, I'm going to ask for the answers so that it's necessary to get ready. Okay? Then we're going to work on speaking task. In this speaking task, we're going to prepare a dialogue between you and your friend. So, and we have some steps. For example, number 3 says, think about a course you might like to take to learn a new skill. No? And here there is one picture, the second picture, and the third pictures. Now, I mean, in the picture number 1 is about robotic class. In the number 2, dog training class. And in the last one, first aid kit. What do you have to do to choose one of those? In the activity, or sorry, in the step number 2, say, think of the information you want about the courses or the course, and what questions would you ask to the place giving the course. No, it's like this. And asking for some information about cuisine, no, and for example about the food. And of course, no, would you ask please giving the course? Okay, we're giving this course, the schedule is this, etc. And then you're going to work in pairs, practice that your dialogue. So in other words, you are going to create a dialogue, and you are going to try to do it in class. Okay, let's see. This is the first part. Remember that functional language expressing purpose is important to use it. So be careful. Okay, this is a short video. Thank you so much. See you in a different video.